Well, this is not a surprise for us. Ito anticipated talaga natin. Ang sabi ko nga, at every stage or any stage of the proceeding, there is always the possibility of the petitioner questioning the proceeding of the Justice Committee or the House of Representatives. So for us in the Justice Committee, notwithstanding that petition, so long as wala namang temporary restraining order, we will proceed to our proceeding on April 14, 22, and 29 hanggat walang temporary restraining order.
Opo.
And we maintain the position na lahat ng ginawa ng House of Representatives are constitutional and we are following the letters of the rules, the Constitution, and even the decisions of the Supreme Court.